Hi everybody, Samantha Shriver, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, coming to you guys today. I got my new catalogs. I actually got them about a week ago, but I was waiting to do my pre-order unboxing. Right now I can only show you the cover of these catalogs, and then January 5th you can see everything inside the catalogs. So our mini catalog is available from the 5th of January to the 1st of May. And then our Sale-A-Bration catalog this year is available from the 5th of January to the 28th of February. They did change that time period this year for the Sale-A-Bration catalog. It's a little shorter. There is some great items in this catalog. You can get free with a $50 purchase or free with a $100 purchase. And of course, if you spend more, you can mix and match. And my favorite thing out of the Sale-A-Bration catalog this year is actually their 48 count designer series paper pack. I love when Stampin' Up! Comes out with 48 count designer series paper packs for like host gifts, and they did it for Sale-A-Bration this year and I love it. So I got that. I can't wait to show you guys. That's probably my favorite thing out of that catalog. And even though I can only show you guys the covers right now, I did do a pre-order, so I do have some items that I'm going to show you guys today. I did also receive my customer catalog, so I will be preparing those and getting those mailed out to you guys next week. I can't wait. I'm very excited. I also wanted to show you guys this cute Stampin' Up! Hat. It has the cutest little pom-pom in it, and it says Stampin' Up! And I ordered this. Customers and demonstrators can order this on a merchandise I almost said pre-order, as merchandise on a regular Stampin' Up! Order. So it's very cute. I wanted to show you guys. If you don't mind liking this video and subscribing to my channel, if you have any questions, please just drop them below, and you'll, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be alerted whenever my new videos are posted. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's unboxing video, and I hope that you leave me comments below with what your favorite items are, what you guys are putting on your wish list, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I have a small unboxing for you guys from the new mini and Sale-A-Bration catalog. Some items I can't wait to show you guys. So first, I'm going to start with this 3 twine combo pack. I got this just because I love these bright colors. This I can definitely use for some holiday stuff. Then we have mini blending brushes. I love our regular blending brushes. I use them all the time. Now they came out with small blending brushes. They're a smaller size. So for pre-order, we could order 1 pack. I will be ordering 2 more. I always have 9. I use them for all my red and pinks and oranges, yellows, greens, blues, purples, grays, etc. I have one for like each color. So I love those. Then next we have some adhesives. We have these adhesive backed milky dots. I love new embellishments, so I was very excited to get these. I just want to open and show you guys. Oops, and of course I'm moving them as I'm opening them. All right, bear with me one moment. I love these. They are so pretty. And then next we have these pastel adhesive back sequins. I love adhesive back sequins. They're one of my favorite things to use on cards. So I was very excited about these. So you get 2 sheets. Very pretty. Very excited to use those. Next we have these opaque adhesive back gems. I love these purples. Very nice springy colors. So we have those. And then the last gems I bought were these iridescent pastel gems. I feel like the larger gems are a little bit larger. Can't wait to use these. Oops. And there are those, so you guys can see them. It's always better to see things in person. I always say once I see them in person versus on video, I love it so much more. So I got the Regency Park 6x6 Designer Series paper. Let me grab some scissors. We can open this pack up and take a look at it. This is a 6x6, 48, I believe 48. Yep, 48 count paper pack. I love this blue floral. So we can go through these. So we have this, and then the back is that. And then next, we have this, and there's the back. Oh, one got stuck. So this, and then there's the back of that. And then we have this one in the back. The next one I love. I love that. And it goes very well with the flower and bird set that we had. I can't remember if it was for a different celebration. I'll have to find it. But I feel like that goes perfect with it. We have this one, and then the back of that. And then let me just get these separated. This one in the back. And then this one's similar. It just has the navy blue in the background versus the green. Get these separated. Okay, so we have that in the back. I like that background. That's very pretty. In the back of that. I am loving these florals. We have that in the back. And I feel like this could also be used for a holiday. We have this one in the back of that, which I like that as well. And then the last one, this is really pretty as well. I really love that. And there's the back of that. So that's a really nice paper pack. Again, that's the Regency Park paper pack. I also bought the Country Gingham 6x6 paper pack as well. So this is 6x6, 48 sheets as well. So we'll open and take a look at this one. Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh, this is pretty. So I feel like in the beginning, some of these look similar. I just want to separate them for you. Oh, this looks like it has 8 sheets of the same. These all look like they're the same. And then there's the back. All right, so these must come with 8 of each design. So here's that, and then the back, which I love that light blue. And we have this in the back. And we have a light pink. I don't know if this is petal pink maybe. And there's the back. We have a pink gingham. Let me grab this. And there's the back of that one. I like that as well. And then the last one we have is this, and the back of that. So I think that'll be great for some great spring cards. And once again, that was the Country Gingham 6x6 Designer Series paper. Then the last paper pack I'm going to show you is, this is the 48 count one that you can get free with a $100 Sale-A-Bration item that I am absolutely in love with. It's called Dandy Designs. This is my favorite Sale-A-Bration item, honestly. I am a paper person. I love paper. I hoard it. So I was very excited that they had this big pack in there. So we have this, which is stars, and then the back of that. And then we have this one, make sure I have all these together, and the back of that. Yeah, this design, little polka dots, in the back of that. I really like that. And again, with the spring colors, I love this. So we have this. In the back of that, I like that one. Oops, oh, they're dropping now. And then I have this, love this purple. Oh. All right, what am I doing here? Let's try this again. Okay, so we have this purple in the back. I love that back. I like that back side. Okay, I'm just dropping them all over my craft room. We have this with the stars and then the back. I'm gonna put these on my chair so that they don't fall over like the other ones. We have the stripes in the back. I like that. This I like with the blue. Let's see what the back of this one looks like. Stripes. And we have these blue dots. I love polka dots. And, oh, so you know what? Let's go back because these always get stuck together on me. So we have this blue dots with the stripes on the back. And then this design has this on the back. I like that too. And then we have the green on the back of that. I like that with the blue and greens. And we have these green stripes. Oh, I like that with the different color polka dots, the greens and the purple. And this is our last. We have this, and then the back of that. And once again, that is the Dandy Designs 12x12 Designer Series paper. Next, we're going to move on to stamp sets. The first stamp set is the Taco Fiesta stamp set. This is my Upline Erica Serwin's $1 million stamp set. I absolutely love it. This is a photopolymer stamp set. It's so cute. I love how you can use your blends to color in the images. And then you also have some cute faces that you can put on the images as well. And I love the little punny sentiments. So it's a very cute stamp set. Next, we have the Love Cats. And I love it. I love any stamp set that Stampin' Up! Comes out with that has cats and dogs on it. The sentiments are really cute. This is a red rubber stamp set. And those cats are just adorable. Speaking of adorable, we have adorable owls. This is free with a $50 Sale-A-Bration purchase. Owls are my favorite animals, so I had to get this. It is a little more cutesy drawn than I like, but it is very cute. So this is a red rubber stamp set. And it's got some cute sentiments as well. So I'll be making some samples with that. Then we have the Happy Labels. I love sentiment sets. So this has some nice bigger sentiments. It's a photopolymer stamp set. And it comes with this punch. So you can stamp the labels on your paper and put them in the punch. And it has a ticket edge and a scalloped edge. So I can't wait to use that. Then I have another sentiment set. This is the Something Fancy bundle. So this has a lot of sentiments as well, and I really do love when they do the mixed fonts. So this has a lot of that. This is a red rubber stamp set. And then the dies. I love because it has a lot of label dies. So you have a lot of options for different labels to cut out the sentiments. So I'll definitely be using this one a lot. Then this bundle I wanted to show you, it's the Lighting the Way bundle. And I didn't know this until another demonstrator showed me. in the catalog, that now you have an option on some of the stamp sets and bundles that you get to where you can choose whether you want red rubber or photopolymer. So if it has a C for cling, which is the red rubber, or a P for photopolymer, you can choose either one. I believe that this Happy Label stamp set was that way as well. I chose the photopolymer, but I believe with this one you can choose red or rubber as well. So I borrowed one of my team member stamp sets. So I got the photopolymer in this, and then she got the red rubber, and I just wanted to show you both of these so you see that you have options depending on which one you prefer. And then the dies that come with this set are so cute. So first off, I love this lantern and how you can have your fireflies, you know, flying around the lantern. It has where you can build a firefly just out of dies alone. And then you have a couple fireflies you can cut out. And then of course, where you can cut around the fireflies that come in the set. So I really love that. It's really cute. I definitely can't wait to use that. But I do like that they're giving you options on some of the stamp sets now. So our last bundle is the Sweet Citrus bundle. So this comes with a hybrid embossing folder and your dies. So we'll look at the stamp set first. It's a photopolymer stamp set, and I do love the little sentiments that come with it. Then we have our embossing folder, and we have our dies. Just open these up quick. And this is the first hybrid embossing folder that I've purchased through Stampin' Up. But what it does is you open this, you're going to put your paper here, and then you're going to put your dies on the top with your cutting, you know, area down. So when your paper's here, you just fold this over and then run it through your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and it's going to cut and emboss the images at the same time. And it comes out really pretty. I've seen some cards using that. I can't wait to try it. So that is the last bundle that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you don't mind liking and subscribing to my channel, that way you'll be alerted when my new videos get posted. And I hope that everybody has a great weekend.